Hello from China's Shanghai city. Welcome to our live show on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. You are watching a live report from New China TV. I'm Ichi with Xinhua News Agency.
And I'm Usha, also with Xinhua. Here we're at China's first intelligent vehicle platform, located in the south of Shanghai city, Jiading district. And the platform serves as a display window, testing base, and the standard study for the intelligent vehicle.
Yeah, so how far are we from intelligent driving? How far are we from self-driving vehicle? So today we will show you some of the most advanced technology of intelligent driving and self-driving So we will explore the future of transportation and driving.
And as I have said that we are at China's first intelligent vehicle platform, and it is one step closer to the future transportation. Opened in the last June, the first stage of the test zone was officially opened in Shanghai's International Automobile City, covering about 200 vehicles and 15 kilometers of test roads.
Yeah. Today we are at China's first intelligent vehicle pilot zone. It serves as a platform to test some of the most advanced technology in intelligent driving and self-driving fields. And so here we have invited engineers from this China's first intelligent vehicle pilot zone. So we invited our engineers to give us some more information about this special test zone for intelligent driving. So welcome, Ms. Yap. Hello. So can you give us some basic information about this China's first intelligent vehicle pilot zone?
Okay, as you know now, the electronification, car sharing, and the intelligence cars are the three main trends of the automotive industry. And all the automotive powers are striving to develop their technology in this field. And the same for China. We think it is very important and a strategic opportunity for us to upgrading our industry. And so we have the 5G network support, and we have the Beidou satellite application, data security, and the automotive power support as well. And I think you also hear about a lot about Made in China 2025, right? Yes, ICV vehicle has been listed as a very key direction of development in this planning. Okay.
So what's about your work here in this special test zone? So what's your role here?
Okay, so our group is founded in 2001, and we are in charge of constructing and developing the core area of anti-automotive city. And so for in this new days, and what our function is, we devote ourselves to constructing the first national pilot zone for China, and we will plan our construction in 4 stages. The first one is, you can see that here is an enclosed testing area, and then we'll move to the open roads, and also the city scenario, and finally we will have the application on the intercity corridors.
Yeah, so today you will give us a lot of demonstration in this special test zone. So maybe you may be a little bit confused by all these concepts and definitions about vehicle or intelligent driving, but don't be worried. So we will experience these demonstrations one by one and later by later. So can we have a try of the first demonstration?
Yes, sure. And so firstly, I want to explain what is ICV. I think I mentioned a lot, right? The ICV stands for the Intelligent Connected Vehicles. So today we prepared 4 demonstrations for you to have a sensory experience of the new technologies. So the first one you can see there, it is autonomous driving minibus, and maybe we can move to there. And this minibus can be driving in the certain park scenarios, and it is driven by the high precision map, and it can also support the wireless charging. That means you just park your car, the bus there, and with the charging station, it can charge by the wireless.
Okay. So before we get on this minibus, I have a question to each. And from the outside, can you see that any difference from the common ones?
Well, it seems like a normal shuttle bus. Yeah, it looks very cute, but I guess there must be something different in the inner part of this shuttle bus. So can we get on the bus and try to check it out?
Okay. So my colleague Yezi will show you the technologies here in this bus.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you. Yeah, but should we look at the sensor first, or
Oh, the sensor
just
first. Okay.
yeah?
Maybe we can have a.
Look, yeah. You know, on the top center there is GPS receiver, and on both
The
sides,
GPS receiver.
yeah, and on both sides there are lidars.
Radar.
Lidar,
Oh.
and yeah, here is the radar.
Here's the radar.
Yeah, here's the radar, and this is binocular cameras. We integrated them together to look cute, like human's eyes.
It's a comprehensive sensor system.
Yes, yes.
It contains radar and lidar and many other sensor equipment.
Yes, actually have 10 sensors like this around the bus.
So the whole bus have 10 sensors around the bus to perceive the environment.
Yes, we want to see our directions.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let's
So
go.
shall we? get
Sure,
on the
sure,
bus?
sure. Sorry.
So we are in this special mini shuttle bus, and we can see the inside part of the bus. And this special shuttle bus will carry us to the first demonstration test zone. So excuse me, can you introduce the feature of this minibus?
Sure, sure. Okay. We have seen the bus's eyes. I mean the sensors around the bus. Yeah, and now I will show you. Here are the bus screens. Some computers. And
So we can have a look at all these
okay, yeah,
computers.
computers together. Well, it's just opening status.
So these computers will control the motivation of this whole bus.
Yeah, you know the autonomous driving means the computer controls everything from steering to braking, and we will show you a moment later because okay. Okay, can you wait a moment? I need to open the software.
Okay. So these two computers control all the sensor system and other energy system of this shuttle bus. And our engineer will switch on the special software controlling the motivation of this bus. And we can have a close look on these two computers. It contains programming system. And we can see it's a very complicated system.
Yes,
Is it?
it's easy option. I just click on the button, then it will start
So-
self-driving.
So this screen is about the route of the bus.
Yes, we have planned a route to the F zone. So here is the planned route. Yeah, it's simple. So it's
Yeah.
And the bus is just follow the route.
So we can just plan a route, and the bus will try to follow the planned route.
Yes, the computer is analyzing the information from the sensors and making decisions every time. At the last crossing, there's obstacle in front of it. Then it turn a little right and then go forward to escape it. Yeah. The steering and the braking is controlled by the computer, and they can do operations themselves, not by humans. Yeah.
So you can see the.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So you can see the bus is driving by itself.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see the move of the
steering.
Yeah, the steering, the move of the steering.
And it's turning left because the F zone is on the left. Yeah. You know, the computer will analyzing the information the first step is understand where the bus is exactly in the world. They need the GPS information and the INS. We combine the two position information together. Yeah, to make exactly positioning, and then we will focus on what we can see, or what we can see in the circumstance, and the computer will map out, and then making decision like to speed up or slow down, to brake, or.
So the computer itself can make decision, like
Yes.
accelerate or brake or others kind of action.
We need a determining. And now the bus is stopping.
Stop.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. So here we will try to see the first demonstration of our test zone. So let's go.
Maybe I give you a short introduction of this area. Okay, this is the enclosed testing zone. We call it F zone here. So totally it's 2 square kilometers, and with road length is 3.6 kilometer. Sorry, and totally 42 roadside units to support the V2X communication. And there we have also 2 LTE station there to support the 5G communication. Certainly, it is
the tower,
yeah.
like
Yeah.
tower.
Yeah, now it's support 4.5G. We call it LTE-V, and later on it can upgrade to support the 5G. Okay. And the next one we will show you the SAIC motor from the IGS MG, and it. Oh, sorry. Maybe we first from the AEB CCRS testing firstly. Okay.
So the area of this is the same as the map, yes?
Yeah, it's the same as map here, and now we're here.
We're here,
Yes.
and we'll have the demonstration
Yes,
here.
we'll have the testing demonstration here. So the stationary, the target vehicle will be stationary, and the test vehicle will approach to the target vehicle. Maybe from here, and.
The demonstration of this.
So this area is full of scenarios.
Yes.
Full of scenarios to test intelligent vehicles, to test the vehicle's performance in different kind of conditions.
Yes, we can provide more than 100 scenarios here by flexible design. And you can see here the road length. Actually, we can put it as a flexible design by the changing it. Yes.
How many the simulated
More than 100 scenarios.
More than 100?
Yes,
okay.
100. Yes. Okay. Maybe we can move to the testing.
Thank you. The testing. This is each you can get.
So this is the first testing area, and we will try to get to the area to see the demonstration just over there. So let's go. So here we have 2 vehicles to try to demonstrate a special test zone. And later we will have a test on these two vehicles. And first we will see the first demonstration area just over there. We will see the scenarios for vehicles to test their intelligent performance.
It can test the function of AEB and FCW. Okay. And you can see we have the demo for the
Okay.
person and for the car.
So what will happen later?
Later you will see.
Okay. Thank you. So the area like a smaller streets. Yeah.
It's like an
Urban
area.
Yeah.
Hello, we can stand there. We will have better view.
To introduce this demonstration.
Okay, welcome to the first crossing of our Shanghai ICV pilot zone, and we will use this crossing to give you a demonstration of AEB function. The name is we will give you a typical traffic accident, and you can see that.
So we will see a real traffic accident
Yeah.
in this demonstration part.
But with the AEB function, we how avoid this accident.
So what is AEB function?
Well, AEB function, the full name is automatic emergency braking. The vehicle equipped with AEB function can brake automatically when it detects potential collision in front of you. And the AEB function always includes radar, camera, and control unit, and actuator.
So AEB is an automatic emergency brake test. So it integrates many sensor system and control system on a vehicle, and the vehicle itself will try to identify emergency situation and make an immediate brake.
Yes, and we call this scenario is AEB CCRS cutout.
Cut out. That means the two vehicles just have a very dangerous collision.
The front
Yeah.
vehicle exits the line suddenly, and the vehicle behind it didn't know.
So yeah. So now can we have a look at this emergency?
Can we start our
I can
demonstration?
give you a short. Do you know what's a CCRS?
CCRS. Oh, so what is CCRS? It's a very complicated
Okay.
definition.
And typical AEB test, it is about the collision avoidance of the pedestrian and the vehicle, and for the avoidance of the or vulnerable road user, and for the avoidance collision of the vehicle, we call 3 is AEB CCRS, CCRB, CCRM. CCRS is a car-to-car stationary. It means the front car is stationary and it's just there. And for the AEB CCR cutout, it means we have two vehicles. You can see that the front vehicle we call this target car. The second vehicle we call the VUT is the vehicle under test. And the driver of VUT should always step on the gas pedal, and he will never brake the vehicle manually.
Okay.
The distance of two vehicles is just 7 meters,
7 meters.
and the speed is 70 kilometers per hour. And when the front target vehicle is near this balloon car,
Yes.
it will
So we cannot wait to see the real demonstration.
Okay.
So can we just have a look on the demonstration?
Okay, it's okay.
So we can start.
yeah.
So we will start our demonstration test here.
Faster on.
So
So over there is the two vehicles.
The speed is 30 kilometer
two
per hour.
Kilometer.
in front of us.
The distance is fixed to 7 meters.
Yeah.
And the first vehicle is the line emergency. Oh. It means some accident. So we were. Do you want to try again?
Yeah. Can we try it again? So the sensor system installed on the car will identify the obstacles just ahead of the car and try to make some avoidance.
The vehicle has brake it automatically to avoid the injury of the collision. It's okay, it's normal because it's not strictly validation. It is just complex traffic accident.
Yeah.
So, but it depends because sometimes it can stop, and sometimes it can't stop. So,
Yeah,
but
so it's still a test to try to find out to try to find out does it really work for the
Yeah.
car to take an immediate brake.
yeah. We just find the worst case of the traffic accident.
Yeah.
We try to try to find an assessment of the mass production car and the car in R&D phase, and we just give them a third part assessment, just like this.
So this vehicle will try again to show the emergency brake.
Yeah.
Yeah. So our cameraman will he will get in the car, and we'll have a exclusive view on this special emergency brake test.
But the driver will not comfortable. Let's do it again.
Okay, we will do the test again. The emergency brake test part.
Juan, keep the speed at 30.
The car's speed is about 30 kilometers per hour.
Yeah, it comes from the standard. The standard is about 30, 50, 40, 50.
5 level.
Five level. It-
Kilometers,
We
okay.
will simulate.
Again.
Start again. Second time.
So the first car has blocked the view of the and the second one make an emergency brake
Yeah.
to avoid the obstacle.
We use this scenario to test the performance of the AB function.
Oh,
It's better.
it's very successful for the car to make an emergency.
But without the target vehicle, it can stop perfectly. Try again without a target vehicle. Chow, you just stay there.
And so we will try the test again, and this
Without-
time
without-
there is no vehicle to block the view
Yeah.
of our car.
Yeah. You can see it can stop
So
automatically.
the third time we'll only have one car come
Yeah.
to have the simulate
Yeah.
brake, yeah.
Okay, it's okay. Chuan, it's okay.
So can we
Kilometer.
kilometers per hour
Faster.
faster than forward?
40
Yeah.
kilometers.
Emergency decision.
Okay, 40.
Kilometers per hour. The speed is very fast, faster than normal.
Yeah, it functions. Do you see
Oh,
that?
yeah.
Great.
Great, great. So the intelligent system has made an emergency decision.
Yeah.
So first it will identify the obstacle,
Yeah.
and then it make the decision.
First, we see you worst case. Second, we see you a normal, normal one. Okay.
So
Thank
thank
you
you,
very
thank
much.
you, thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So we have seen the first demonstration of this China's first intelligent vehicle pilot zone. So now shall we see the second one?
Yes, the second one is the IGS MG from Psychomotor. So now it can reach the autonomous driving of level 4. That means it can driven in most of the cases, except for very emergency cases. And so it will still have the person the driver on the car, but it will not. He will not hand over the car
Yeah.
until it is in a very emergency cases. Okay.
Thank you. It's my turn to show you how this driverless car works. And here we have the Mr. Xu. Thank you, Mr. Xu.
Hello.
And nice to see you. She is the Shanghai local motor, one of the maker here. And can you tell us something about this car? It looks nothing special from the common ones.
Yeah, this is Cycle Motors' intelligent driving vehicle, and as you can see from the outside, it is almost like an ordinary car you can buy
Yeah.
from the market.
Yes.
So if you give a close distance observation, you can see some special sensors.
Okay.
Yeah,
Let's move
like
on.
like LiDAR and LiDAR sensor,
Okay.
which
what-
is also called LiDAR scanner.
okay.
And also around the vehicle, there are other sensors like radar.
Radar, yeah.
Yeah, the sensors are mounted around the vehicle 360 degrees, so as to monitoring the environment. Yeah.
So some of the render system we can say are outside the car, but some others we cannot see because they are inside. Yes.
Yeah, some are inside of the vehicle, so to monitor the vehicle status. So how the vehicle turning around, or the vehicle is whether it's driving on a sloping road.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I cannot wait to experience how magic the self-driving car is. Can we just
please.
get into the okay?
他们的车要挪开。
So we can say that. Can you just give us some brief introduction about this car inside, because there's no driver here. Yes.
Yeah, so I am not controlling the vehicle now, and the vehicle has already been set to the autonomous mode. So if I allow the vehicle to go, the vehicle will go straight ahead. So can we start?
Yeah. But before we start, I have a question. How can you make this route of this car to from the start to the destination?
Yeah, that's because we have already we have to tell the vehicle where to go. So with the help of the HD map of this area, which is the map is used only for the intelligent driving vehicles, not unlike the human using the maps. So the vehicles are using the map to generate a route to follow. So the in the next we can experience how it goes.
Okay. So let's start. Okay.
Yeah. So the vehicle has already started, and you can see from the front, and there are the accelerating behavior and also the steering behavior are all conducted by the vehicle itself.
So can you tell us the speed of the car now?
Yeah, the maximum speed we have to set is 45 kilometers per hour because this is an urban area. But if the vehicle has encountered a different scenario, it will adapt to the scenario automatically. So if we are driving in this curve lane, and the speed will automatically slowing down. And also there are some other speed limits, such as the traffic signs, the traffic lights, and also there are some lane properties which is contained in the HD map.
Okay. So we can see they have the traffic lights in front of us. What will the car do?
Yeah, the cameras of the vehicle will detect the traffic lights and then decide whether it is permitted to go.
So now we turn to the right. Yes.
Yeah, it is because of the HD map settings, and the vehicle knows the left one is only permitted for left turning, and this lane is permitted for right turning. So as you can see, the vehicle is slowing down and stably turning right to the preferred location.
So now in front of us there's a tunnel. What will the car do?
Yeah, this is a tunnel which is set to the scenario of the signal blocking. So the signal blocking is very important during the urban driving,
Yes.
and the vehicle can cope with this situation here. And as you can see in the front, there is a human artificial roundabout.
Yeah.
And this roundabout is set that the vehicle could go around and turning 180 degrees.
So it also automatically slow down, yes?
Yeah. So the vehicle has an emergency brake because the front vehicle has interfered our path. Yeah.
So it's a brake.
Then the vehicle started again because the front object has not been interfering us.
So now the this kind of smart car there's only on the test is how long can we see it in the real road in the future?
Yeah, we are still testing our vehicles in many testing fields for different scenarios because in real life driving there are many different scenarios, especially in China
Yes.
public roads.
Yeah.
So we are testing also in the laboratory using simulations to make the vehicle more stable and more reliable. So as you can see, we have tested this in this urban scenario,
Yes.
and we have also tested our vehicle in the proving ground. And
Proving ground.
yeah, in the proving ground, we test the vehicle, what it performs in the highway scenarios, such as high-speed lane keeping and overtaking behaviors. And these behaviors are very stable now in this on this vehicle. And also we have tested the maximum speed of the vehicle is 140 kilometers per hour.
Okay, 140 kilometers per hour, yes.
Yeah, in the proving ground. So our sensors are very intellected, and there are many sensors around the vehicle to cope with different situations. Because as the weather condition is a very critical factor, and different sensors could be combined to cope with the situation, such as if it is raining, and some radar sensors will take over the responsibility of sensing. And now, as you can see, we have reached the ending point, and our vehicle has slowing down by itself, and also the electric brake of the vehicle has already been pulled up. So if the passenger, as you can getting off the vehicle safely.
Okay, so it is
Yeah, that's
stop.
that's the whole
So
journey. because
this is
it
the end
stopped.
of our demonstration.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks, Mr. Shi, and it is a very good experience to have a real self-driving car.
Yeah, thank you.
So I want to say that can you say something else about this car, because you can say that it's a radar, and also what's this about this one? Can you explain to us?
Well, there are also many sensors for the location, because the vehicle has to know where it is according to the map and according to the sensors. And also these sensors are not only responsible for sensing the dynamic and static objects, they are also responsible for tracking the lane markings and also the traffic signs, traffic lights. Yeah, and the vehicle we are developed from Stack Motor is aiming at the high-level automation. So we believe that our vehicle will keep up to the trend of the electric and car internet connecting, and also car sharing, and of course artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence.
Yeah,
Yes.
and the development team from our Stack Motor is all from Stack Motor. And
Motor, yeah.
so Stack Motor has the full owner right of the intellectual property rights. Yeah, that's all.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Shi, and
thank you.
thank you very much. And now we have the next demonstration. We're now at the China's first intelligent flight zone, located in the south of Shanghai, Jiading district. And here you can see that the cameras, also the communication bases, and also the radar system are installed in this enclosed flight zone, and the intelligent vehicles are able to drive in nearly 100 simulated environments.
So how do you feel about your experience, Wuxia?
So actually, this is my first time to taking this kind of self-driving car. It is so excited, and also the brake is very simulated and very a great experience.
So
So the
will
next
you
one
hope
shall-
this self-driving car can really step in daily life? Do you want to have a self-driving car in your daily life?
Yes, of course. I think maybe in the future the people can drive a car, but he can maybe work on the computer and drink coffee when in his own self-driving car. And but as the engineer has told me that it is still a long way to go when the intelligent connected vehicle and self-driving car will hit the real road. I think it is a lot of work to do in the future.
Yeah, so there is still a long way for the development of intelligent vehicle, and maybe it will step in our daily life one day. So now we will try the third demonstration,
Yeah.
and the demonstration is called V2X, and here we are in China's first intelligent vehicle pilot zone in China's Shanghai city, and this pilot zone serves as a platform for many industry players to we can see the test there, to test intelligent vehicles. And here we will try another test. It's called V2X test.
So there's a limited room. So only.
Hello, Miss Fan. Yeah. Hello. And Miss Fan is the engineer for this V2X test, and she will introduce this test for us. So let's just get on the bus and have our demonstration. So what is V2X test about?
Okay, and today we'll show you a V2X demonstration, and we have 4 vehicles in total. And this vehicle is the host vehicle or also testing vehicle, and the other 3 vehicles are background vehicles. And today we'll display V2V and also V2I demonstrations.
So can you define what is V2X, like V2V or V2?
Yeah, and actually at first I'd like to raise 3 questions. And the first one is what is V2X technologies? And second one is how does it work? And the last one is why we are doing this. Okay, for the first one, what is V2X technologies? Actually, V2X technology is a wireless communication between V and X. And for V, it means vehicle. And for X, X means everything. You must know SpaceX by Elon Musk, right?
Yeah.
And
Exactly.
X could be vehicle, could be pedestrian, could be infrastructure. And it could realize the communication between vehicle to X. And now, at this tutor, we'll display V2V communication, where this car, the host vehicle, will communicate with the background car. And you can see the display screen.
So we can see the screen on the little box.
Yeah, right. And currently we are at the left side of the background vehicle. We'll see the display on the box, and also there are vocal warning.
So the figure on the box is the data of these two vehicles, the speed, the location of these two vehicles.
And the figure at the center is the vehicle of our host vehicle. And now let's pay attention to our right side.
Oh yeah, a car.
Yeah, there's a car currently run out from the gas station, and actually this time, if we are driving quite, very attention, we just can notice that it is coming out. So at this time, the V2V communication is quite essential for us to do braking or cut out in time. And now we are in front of our background car, and we are doing the road reversely, and now we are the
two vehicles change their position.
Right. And that car will come from the left side, the right side, and also back, and follow us. and we also get all of the warnings in our box.
Yeah, so
you can see there are
the two vehicles will communicate about their information,
about
like
their location, about their speed. Yeah, you know, if I right. You know, if I want to connect with my friend, I'll make a phone call. But what the vehicles, how can they communicate with each other? They use a box. That is called OBU, the onboard unit. And here we'll have a V2I communication displacement. See, there is a warning. This is an pre-upload signal of the wet road warning. This is realized by the V2I communication, the vehicle to infrastructure.
Oh, so it will test the car's performance, like on wide road or slippery road. Oh yeah, and make an emergency cutaway.
Right, this is the emergency cutout. And here is another V2I communication when there is a road construction, and the infrastructure just send us a signal to remind us there is a road construction in front of us, and this is the second V2I scenario. And then you know, currently we are in closed test area, and now there's a warning to tell us that there are dead end road in front of us.
So the vehicle can identify the end of the road.
Yeah, great, because the infrastructure just send a signal to it.
Yeah, so the infrastructure have sent some signals about the environment into the car, and the car can detect the environment outside.
Yeah, right.
And can make decision.
Yeah, and then this time is a second cutout V2V communication. There's a stopped car. You can see in front of us, in front of our front car, and now. It's a very high truck or very high car, and we just can't notice if there are any vehicles in front of it.
It's a very amazing test.
Yeah, and then
the car block our view, and the infrastructure or other cars will send information signals to this car.
Yeah,
and this car will make a decision.
Yeah, the driver will just braking or just cut out even before he noticed that. Yeah. And what just warning is also the V2I communication we just told when we just came through before, and when we turn back it's the same thing. And at this road I also want to demonstrate a V2I communication. It's a communication between vehicle and traffic light.
Vehicle and traffic light.
Yeah, vehicle and traffic light.
So the traffic light can send some signal.
Yeah. To the vehicle. Yeah.
So the vehicle may speed up or make a break.
Now let's pay attention to the display box.
A display box, yeah.
Yeah.
It's 40 kilometers
it shows
per hour.
3 seconds, and if we go ahead, see now.
The 3 seconds.
Yeah, right. It's the time, the length and period of our traffic light in real time.
In real time.
Yeah, in real time, exactly the same. And then you see just below the traffic light, there is a speed interval. Actually, this is a suggested speed interval.
Oh, it's a suggestion.
Yeah, right. It's a suggestion. And if you drive between this speed interval, you will go through in this green light. And such V2I technology between the vehicle and traffic light will greatly enhance the traffic efficiency of the road.
Yeah. So it will suggest the speed of the vehicle according to the information, the signal from the traffic light, and will like count down about 3 seconds or 4 seconds, and so it will help the driver to avoid breaking traffic rules.
Yeah, great. And meanwhile, it also just enhance the fuel economy and also the efficiency of the vehicle.
So the last question, the most important one, is we have heard about a lot of definition concepts like self-driving vehicle, unmanned vehicle, and intelligent vehicle, intelligent connected vehicle. So can you make a clear definition to classify all these all these definition, all these concepts.
And actually, in China, our OEMs, in this industry, we say them intelligent connected vehicle, and actually in America they call it connected and automated vehicle. Actually, it's the same concept between intelligent and automated, but for autonomous or self-driving or unmanned, it means fully automated. And actually, I don't know if you have heard of the classify of the autonomous driving, the DOT, the NISA, the Department of Transportation in the States, and also the SAE international standard has divided the autonomous driving into six level, from level 0 to level 5, and the level is just one by one, and for level 0 it's just nothing. For level 1 it's feet off or hands off. The car will help you on the lateral or lateral side, and for level 2 it's both hands off and feet off, and for level 3 it's feet off and hands off and also eyes off. The vehicle will help you to detect the environment. And for level 4, and there are brain off or hands off, and for level 5 is totally fully automated driving. So that is what the definitions, their differences or their comments.
Yeah, so I have another question, but we can just get out from this car and we'll ask you the final question. So okay, we have just experienced the special test of V2X, and as we can see, the V2X means vehicle to
everything,
various of elements like vehicle to vehicle, vehicle to infrastructure, to traffic lights. So it means we will send a lot of data to a platform to handle all this data, to cooperate to the cooperation between vehicles and vehicles to infrastructure. And so it may raise concerns about like information security or cyber security. It may a threat to privacy. So how do you see this view?
Right, it's a very good question. Because currently, in the States, in the North America, they some regulations, such as they must install all of the V2X devices at the end of 2020 by 50%. All of the cars in the United States. And meanwhile, in the US, they have a national security system. That kind of system, they will give a certification to the OEMs. By doing this, they will just encrypt and decrypt all of the signals before they send the V2X communication signals. And all of the signals are really secured. And I think this is a really good top-down systematic solution. And in the future, our Chinese government or our alliance will do that as well.
So China will also chase this trend of information safety, security, and will do more to have a more secure data platform.
Yeah, right. And actually, our government actually has started the standards making focused on the information security. But for the cyber security, it's also like under planning.
Yeah, so we still have a long way to go, and we will make efforts to provide a more secure, intelligent platform for our vehicles.
Right.
Yeah. So thank you, Miss Fan. Thank you.
So I have good news to tell you that some of the viewers and audience told me that they want to experience the self-driving car once more time.
Yeah.
So maybe we can go to the car for
self-driving car.
Yeah.
One more time. Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
So as you see, what is the most significant feature of self-driving car?
I think for the we know that sorry, maybe
I think the feature of the self-driving car is that it can
drive automatically.
Yeah. It's an automatic driving car, and it can spare us a lot of time, spare us a lot of efforts. Yeah. So I will try this self-driving car. Hello, sir.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So can our cameraman have a look on this on this. Oh yeah, it's a special computer to control this self-driving car.
Yeah.
So now we are on the self-driving car. So here is the computer to control the move of the car.
Yeah, this is only the interfaces for the engineers to debug and to see what the cars goes on, what's the situation of the vehicle.
So we can see the route of the car and some basic data of the car.
Yeah, basic status such like speed and the acceleration and also the route. Yeah.
So first we will make a planned route for the car to
Yeah,
follow.
yeah,
Or
it's-
we will just control the car by what kind of.
It's just like the human being driving to a preferred location. You have to tell the vehicle where you want it to go. So with the help of HD map, the IGS, which is the name of the vehicle, and could automatically generate the map.
Yeah, so we'll give the vehicle a destination, the position we want to go, and then the vehicle will follow the instruction.
Yeah.
So can we try it now?
So 可以听吗？可以听一下吗？
Yeah. So can we try it? Okay. We'll just send a destination to the car. Yeah. We can see the self-driving car. It's on the way to the destination. Very fast. And very, very, very stable. And we can see the move of the steering wheel. It's like a real man is just to drive the car. And I feel very, very stable sitting in this self-driving car.
Yeah, and the vehicle is now under our development, and our engineers are trying to get the car as smoothly as enough to like a human being driving.
Yeah.
But we need a lot of testing and performance improvement.
Yeah. So we still need a lot of tests for the improvement of the experience on the self-driving car. And here we are in Shanghai, in China's first intelligent vehicle pilot zone. And here we are on a self-driving car, and we can see the move of the steering wheel. And the car is driving itself. Yeah. And now the speed is about 40 kilometers per hour. It's a normal speed in urban area. And here we're sitting in the self-driving car. We feel very stable. And our engineers have made a lot of tests to improve the conditions, the experience, the personal experience of self-driving car. So sir, do you think one day self-driving technology will replace human drivers?
Well, it is very convenient that if you are very tired driving home, and this vehicle could replace you, and it will control the vehicle to your home or to your work. It is very convenient and it's also very safe because it is a computer working, and it never knows what is tired.
Oh,
yeah. And the sensors are also very it is mounted around the vehicle 360 degrees, so there are no blind spots, because human drivers always have blind spots when driving, so it is the very dangerous factor for an accident.
Well, that's a very key feature of this self-driving car. So it can detect anything around this car, can see anything around this car. The sensor system can provide many information of the environment of this car. So not like a human driver, they they can only detect by their eyes and reflect by their brains. But this intelligent car, it controlled by computer. It can, with a collective sensor system, it can detect the scenarios around the vehicle, and it will spare a lot of time for human beings, spare a lot of efforts and time.
Yeah, and we Motor also believe that the car sharing is a big trend for the future car using, and we think the intelligent driving vehicle will help a lot to advance this process.
Yeah, so in car sharing, so if we have if there is no driver, it will be more convenient for the car sharing industry, right?
Yeah,
so every car will be controlled by computer, and it will spare human efforts and will boost the sharing economy.
Yeah. Okay, that's the end of the journey, and the car has stopped by itself, also pull up the electric brake, for it is safer if as the passenger has getting off the car, and we are stopping at a bridge because there are a slope of this road, and so it is safer to pull up the brake.
So you can choose where to stop.
Yeah,
according to the conditions of the road.
Yeah, it's just as I said before, and it is because our destination is set to be here just as our goal. So the vehicle will automatically stop because the human driver will take over the car's control.
Oh yeah, thank you. It's a very nice trip to drive on this special self-driving vehicle. So thank you, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you. Oh, the door is a little bit special for this automatic driving car. So here we just experienced a special trip of this self-driving car, and it's very, very
So what about your
impressive.
experience?
Yeah, I think the feature of the car is that it can detect 330 and 60 degrees of the environment around the vehicle. It can detect anything. It can feel, it can see with its sensor system, and it's very, very convenient for human beings to travel on this car. It can spare a lot of efforts, and if you send a destination to the computer, it can really carry you to your dream place, your destination, and it will spare a lot of time and efforts. So maybe one day we'll see this car really driving on every roads and avenues of our cities. So here we just finished. We just finished all this demonstration in this China's first intelligent vehicle pilot zone in Shanghai. It's a platform for many industry players to test their intelligent vehicles, and our engineers have give us a very, very impressive demonstrations, and they have given a lot of key information about intelligent vehicles, self-driving vehicles. So here, and we can see the slogans everywhere in this test zone. So what is slogan? A nice city representatives.
Okay, A means the first one, the first pilot zone, and N means the network and internet also, and I means intelligent, C connected, E means also economy or efficient or electrical. Yes, and the city means that our target is not only to realize the autonomous driving, but also the intelligence lifestyle, intelligence city.
Yeah.
Okay.
So thank you. So it's a whole comprehensive system. It's not only about transportation, not only about traffic, not only about vehicles, cars. It's about intelligence. It's about innovation, communication. So we can see this intelligent vehicle is a whole system of communication and innovation. It sends data, sends information. It shares the information from vehicles to human beings, from vehicles to infrastructure, from vehicles to vehicles. So here we can have a glimpse of the future of our technology time, of the future. It's a a really boost of technology, a really boost of innovation. So how do you see this, Wuxia?
And we know that by the 2020, Shanghai is expected to build the intelligent vehicle network covering 100 square kilometers in the Shanghai International Automobile City. And I think it marked the transition of the intelligent connected cars and also the unmanned self into the practical stage. Yeah.
Yeah, and China, not only about the government, but also companies have made a lot of efforts to contribute to this new fields of intelligent vehicles. And intelligent connected vehicles is also very important directions of China's roadmap of 2025 manufacturing roadmap. It's a very important fields for China to improve its technology, to look into the future. So the ultimate goal of this intelligent vehicle is the communication. It's about communication. They communicate information and innovation. So here we are in China's first intelligent vehicle pilot zone, and we have shown you several amazing, the most advanced technology in this field about intelligent vehicles, about self-driving. And here, if you like our show, you can follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. Follow New China or Xinhua. So see you next time. We'll see you, and we'll provide more information, more amazing information about China on our New China TV. So see you.
Okay, thanks for watching our live broadcast from the Xinhua News Agency, and see you next time.